walking on Methil Street, I was really surprised that the bird was just sitting there, and then I realized, oh, that is most likely a baby sparrow, brand new, just out of the nest. Can't really fly because it was both, timid and wasn't moving real good. I'm hoping that it started to fly within an hour or so because that's quite often the case, but I don't know much more. And probably a neighborhood cat would catch it. Saw a young turkey walking by. Saw a goldfinch. Tried to get a video with the camera. You can see in the screen that it's there, but I never could see it in the view screen, so I didn't know what to do. Two frogs. One here and then another one in a short glimpse. Both of these handheld. Cormorant on a rock in the Seekonk River, all the way on the East Providence shoreline.